I'm Charlotte Mensah. I live in Notting Hill. I'm from Hair Lounge Salon. I can be quite shy. As I've gotten older, I'm a lot more kind of relaxed about a lot more things. But before I used to be like, I didn't even want to smile because I thought, oh, my cheeks are too big. But now I'm like, as soon as I smile, people are like, oh, I love your smile. And I'm like, oh, so this is the thing that I used to be so scared to even smile. I travel a lot, so I get a lot of my inspirations from the people I meet, from conversations I have with people that I've met on my travels. Like I just came back from Barcelona, I was literally talking to strangers and I was thinking, these people, do they think I'm normal or something? I'll just walk up to someone and speak to them. Also, I love going to art galleries. Like I went to Berlin, I spent 2 days just visiting all these amazing galleries. Really do the best shoot, you need to really prepare and know what you're selling. Like, what is your collection about? Is it about curls? Is it about texture? Because I find people would put a collection together, but it doesn't tie in, it's all over the place. There's no story, there's no link. But with me, I like almost even all the models to look the same.